Number 1. 1989 Toyota pickup, price $9,499. This truck has 254,000 miles on it and is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in white exterior paint with an original blue interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by Toyota's legendary 22RE 4-cylinder engine. Known for its outstanding reliability, the truck has spent most of its life in Laguna Beach, where it has been well cared for, remaining original, unmodified, and exceptionally clean. It is rust-free and features a newer bedliner, along with a newer Kenwood radio, CD changer, and upgraded speakers. Mechanically, it is in excellent condition with recent servicing, a strong clutch, solid brakes, and stable handling on the freeway. Overall, it stands as a clean, dependable, and well-preserved example of a classic Toyota pickup. Number 2. 1993 Ford F250, price $7,995. This truck shows 223,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a red exterior with a matching red interior, the truck runs on gasoline and maintains the classic heavy-duty character that these models are known for. It is described as a 1995 Ford F250 HD long bed 4x4 powered by a 5.8L gasoline engine, offering strong performance and dependable power delivery. Despite its age and higher mileage, the truck is noted to be in impressively good condition, both mechanically and cosmetically. The body is completely rust-free, which is increasingly rare for a truck of this era, and it runs and drives exceptionally well, reflecting consistent care from its previous owners. Overall, this F250 represents a durable and well-preserved heavy-duty pickup. Number 3. 1966 Ford F100, price $10,000. It has accumulated roughly 90,000 miles over its lifetime. Finished in a clean white exterior paired with a black interior, the truck maintains a timeless and understated look that reflects the styling of mid-1960s Ford trucks. Although originally specified with an automatic transmission, it is currently powered by a strong-running 240 cubic inch inline-6 engine mated to a 4-speed setup, providing a dependable and engaging driving experience for an older model. The truck runs on gasoline and is described as super solid and exceptionally clean, showing signs of careful ownership and long-term preservation rather than heavy abuse. Its body and overall condition suggest that it has remained structurally sound, making it a highly appealing candidate for someone seeking a classic truck that can still be enjoyed on the road. According to the description, it carries a clean title, and the seller states that it is fully capable of being driven home immediately, emphasizing its reliability and road readiness despite its age. Number 4. 2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, finished in a clean tan exterior with a matching tan interior, and powered by gasoline. The truck has been upgraded with an LS swap, now running a 5.3L V8 engine paired to a recently rebuilt 4L60E transmission. Inside, it features cold air conditioning and a fully functional heater, making it comfortable in any weather. The interior and exterior are both surprisingly clean for its age, reflecting good care from previous ownership. In addition, the truck rides on newer GMC at 4 wheels, giving it a more modern and refreshed look. It is a 2WD model and comes with a clean title in hand, ready for its next owner. Number 5. 1971 Ford F100, price $4,500, shows approximately 200,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in blue both inside and out, the truck runs on gasoline and remains impressively solid for its age. The paint is in decent condition, and it is powered by a 300 straight-six engine. The seller notes an engine noise that sounds like pinging from old fuel, though it may also be related to a rocker arm issue. The truck has new brakes and includes a new carburetor that is yet to be installed. Its 3-speed automatic shifts smoothly, and it is capable of being driven home as it sits. Rust is limited to the floor pans and the bottom of the bed beneath the liner. The body itself shows no exposed rust whatsoever, reflecting how solid the truck truly is. This is a long wheelbase, 2WD example that remains a strong foundation for continued use or future restoration. Number 6. 1987 Chevrolet M1008, price $8,500. It features a 6.2L diesel engine paired with a turbo 400 transmission, a 208 transfer case, a Dana 60 front differential, and a full floater 14-bolt rear differential equipped with the factory locker and 4.56 gears. The body and undercarriage are very solid, with all drivetrain components remaining dry and clean for a truck of its age. Several maintenance updates have recently been completed. A new aluminum radiator was installed after the original began leaking at the core, and a new stock-style harmonic balancer was fitted due to cracking rubber on the previous one. The truck also runs on 2 new batteries that are kept on a tender consistently. Overall, the truck is described as extremely clean and solid. The only rust-through present is minor, located on each cab corner.
Number 7.
1972 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,800. It has an automatic transmission, a yellow exterior with a brown interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck is mostly original and unmodified, still wearing about 90% of its factory paint. It's powered by a 350 V8 with a 350 automatic, and has received a new exhaust, new starter, and a fresh tune-up. It runs well, shifts smoothly, and cruises comfortably. It comes with factory 5-lug power disc brakes and power steering, all working properly. The truck sits on 18-inch Boss 338 wheels with new Cooper tires. Inside, it features new carpet, a freshly reupholstered seat, and a clean radio delete dash, along with a headliner, cab light, and cargo light. Typical rust appears in the passenger cab corner and kick panel, but the main floor, supports, roof, and front clip are solid.
Number 8.
1995 Chevrolet Silverado, price $4,900. It has been in the same family since it was new, and it has consistently been maintained with care throughout its life. It runs and drives exceptionally well, powered by a reliable 350 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it has never been taken off-road or used as a work truck. The seller reports that the truck has no mechanical issues, and all of its features function as they should, including the power windows, power door locks, air conditioning, tilt wheel, cruise control, and keyless entry. With 215,000 original miles, a clean title, and a non-smoker history, this Silverado remains a well-preserved and dependable example of a classic full-size pickup.
Number 9.
1996 Ford F250, price $6,000, comes with approximately 104,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a black exterior paired with a gray interior. It is a 2WD single-cab model equipped with the 5.8L Windsor engine and an 8-foot bed. The truck has received several recent updates, including new fuel pumps, a fuel pump switch, new tires, front calipers and brake pads, freshly re-greased front bearings, new carpet, new coolant hoses, a new thermostat, a newer distributor, and a new light switch. A sound system has also been installed, though it may need radio setting adjustments to improve the audio quality. The battery has been replaced as well. There are a few imperfections to note. The interior still needs attention. The truck would benefit from a tune-up after sitting for a period of time, and the exterior paint is not in the best condition.
Number 10.
1971 Datsun 521, price $5,300. It has 79,000 miles, a manual transmission, and a green exterior with a black interior, powered by an L18 engine with a newly rebuilt 5-speed manual. Running on gasoline, it has received many fresh updates, including new carpet, a new aftermarket heater, a new Grant steering wheel with a security hub, and a retro Bluetooth stereo with new speakers. Mechanical work includes new brakes and calipers, a new fuel pump, exhaust manifold gasket, new plugs and wires, and a new Weber 3236 carburetor. It also has new tires, fresh powder-coated wheels, a new windshield and gasket, along with new wiring and a new fuse block. Overall, the truck runs very well with numerous recent upgrades.